Every day, more and more new gadgets are introduced to the market, so much that you can barely keep up. Here are some incredibly amazing gizmos that will definitely blow your mind. 21. JBL Pulse 5 speaker. This isn't just another regular speaker. It's waterproof, has 12-hour continuous playback time, and has the most amazing LED light display. In fact, it's essentially a music-playing lava light. Additionally, you can access a variety of natural sound options, such as campfire sounds and a flowing river, through the JBL portable app to help you fall asleep. Number 20. Ambassador Headphones Translators. For those who frequently interact with individuals from around the world, or who travel frequently, this one is especially made for you. That's because this is a superior translation gadget that shines at converting between languages. The device can translate into 20 languages and 42 dialects, including Vietnamese, Arabic, Russian, Mandarin, and Cantonese Chinese. Additionally, they have a lengthy battery life, allowing users to wear them for extended periods of time without regularly charging them. Number 19. VAHA S Fitness Mirror. Our mirrors are becoming smart, just like many other everyday items, and VAHA is a leader in this space. The VAHA S is a sizable but remarkably stealthy mirror that serves as a digital personal trainer. The mirror's touchscreen display shows exercise results, and you can connect extra devices like cardiovascular monitors and headsets for your workout playlists as well. Number 18. FLYTE Levitating Light Bulb. This device's magnetic levitation and air propulsion makes it a very unique one. In fact, it looks almost magical. The construction quality of this light bulb is another noteworthy feature, as it's made of wood, ash, and walnut, and is very sturdy. Also, FLYTE uses extremely energy-efficient LEDs with a lifespan of about 50,000 hours, which equates to 12 hours of use per day for about 11 years. Number 17. City Glider. Every activity requires walking, no matter how short or long, whether it be to do chores, go get groceries, or go to the office. In order to combat the problems brought on by cars and to increase walking pattern, a designer created a pair of innovative shoes called City Glider that would raise one's tolerance for walking. Every time the heel of the user of these City Glider shoes contacts the ground, pneumatic pumps and a sliding blade in the sole work together to propel them forward a short distance. This implies that each step gives the wearer a slight spring in their step as the energy transfers, allegedly adding slightly more than 1% additional distance each time. Number 16. Nothing Ear Stick. Nowadays, earbuds tend to appear, feel, and operate similarly, so finding something a little unique is always fun. However, Nothing is a company that prides itself on innovation and tries to offer slightly unique goods from its rivals. What lends a bit of flair to the stick is the charging case. The long tube-shaped case twists open to show the headphones inside, and it is small enough to fit into your pocket. These headphones sound great too, have a decent battery life, and a slightly different design than the competition. They also fit very comfortably. Number 15. Shiftall Mutalk. The same as noise-cancelling headphones, this particular item is a noise-cancelling microphone. The Mutalk is a Meta Quest-like gadget that you strap over your lips to give you a sealed microphone to block out background noise. It can be used for meetings, VR games, or to have confidential conversations. Even better, the device has an auto-mute function that turns on when you set it on a desk with the bottom facing down. The moment you place it back in your mouth, the gadget will instantly unmute so you can continue speaking. Number 14. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. This smart notebook has 32 sheets that are simple to clean with a damp cloth when used with some pens, making it ideal for note-takers who are environmentally aware. It comes in a range of sizes and is also Rocketbook app-friendly. With this, you can scan your notes and save them on the cloud and can easily refer back to any sketches, notes, or lists down the road. Number 13. Boston Dynamics' Spot. Spot Robot, formerly Spot Mini, is a four-legged robot created by the American robotics company Boston Dynamics. The miniature, adorable robot that resembles a dog can squat, walk, balance on its hind legs, and learn a variety of other new actions. The robotic dog gained notoriety for its true-to-life gestures after the company released a number of videos demonstrating the machine performing routine daily chores, like opening doors and loading dishwashers with realistic accuracy. Number 12. Joy Resolve Barisieur Coffee Alarm Clock. Take a moment to picture waking up from a peaceful sleep to the soothing sound of water boiling and dripping into coffee grounds, the comforting scent of coffee in the air. And when you open your eyes, a transparent glass cup sitting on your alarm clock is slowly filling with gorgeous caffeinated gold. The Barisieur Hybrid Alarm Clock Coffee Maker makes this, which might seem like a pipe fantasy to coffee lovers, a reality. When you press the button or the alarm goes off, the brewing procedure begins. You can also set the clock without preparing coffee. Number 11. Balmuda The Speaker. This speaker is yet another amazing device that sounds just as amazing as it looks. The 3 central LED lights with live light functionality are the primary feature. You can select a tune that fits your mood, or one of the 3 light patterns: beat, ambient, or candle, depending on how you feel. The lights swaying to the music are as entertaining as watching a never-ending bonfire. Number 10. Tabletop Fountain. This waterfall meditation fountain has 3 levels of waterfalls and is made of natural rocks that create multiple streams of water with a soothing sound. Being self-contained, this fountain can be used without any extra hardware or plumbing. To turn on the fountain, simply plug the power cord into an outlet, and to turn it off, simply toggle the switch. Number 9. Water Walker and Spa. The Water Walker, an aqua treadmill made by Water Walker and Spa, is a great option if you have a lot of money to spend and a passion for optimal fitness. The 3-way combined Water Walker and Spa equipment enables body showers, relaxation bathing, and underwater exercise. This technologically advanced device serves as both a treadmill and a spa. Although it comes at a very high price, it allows for an excellent aerobic workout without straining your muscles and joints. Number 8. Gantri Analog Task Light. What better way to illuminate your workplace than with Chris Graneberg's vibrant, geometric-shaped Gantri Analog Task Light? This task light is essentially a stack of 3 10-centimeter cubes. The lights were made to resemble the iconic Lego-shaped constructions for your office. Additionally, the addition of color gives your personal workplace a little extra spark. The massive 20-light release contains groups of task, floor, and table lamps. Number 7. Sonos Arc Soundbar. The Sonos Arc, the brand's first Atmos soundbar, offers an impossible-to-beat mix of features, design, usability, and performance. When listening to a soundtrack, you can clearly hear the additional depth and breadth of a more immersive 3D soundstage, as well as sound effects that are exactly positioned around and above you and are transmitted by the Arc's skillfully angled drivers. Number 6. Lenovo Smart Clock Charging Station Gen 2. The coffee alarm clock that was previously on our list, and this Lenovo Smart Clock, which is a bedside multitasker, both show how alarm clocks today are experiencing a bit of an identity crisis. The Lenovo Smart Clock 2 includes a wireless charging dock that enables you to simultaneously power 2 or more Qi-enabled devices. When connected, it also has an integrated nightlight that can be used as a bedside nightlight. It's compatible with Google Assistant, allowing users to handle their daily tasks, listen to music, and operate other smart devices. Number 5. Amoysanli Night Pen Holder. The Amoysanli Night Pen Holder features a bowing knight with his hands raised to hold your most powerful weapon, a pen, you know, since the pen is mightier than the sword. It will hold your executive cool pens up so you can always locate him quickly, and will make sure they are always available for whatever words need to come out of it. Additionally, it includes a stylish metal pen with black ink, but he would be equally content to wield any other objects, such as a letter opener, razor, flashlight, glasses, etc. Number 4. KODAK Luma 150 Pocket Projector. The KODAK Luma 150 is a tiny, rectangle pocket projector that is 3.9 inches on one side and less than an inch tall. It's small enough to fit in a briefcase if you need to create a presentation for work, or your backpack if you want to watch a movie, or improve your gaming experience while on the go. Additionally, it has built-in surround sound speakers, a headphone jack for private viewing, and a battery runtime of up to 2.5 hours. Number 3. Livescribe Symphony Smartpen Digital Pen. The Livescribe Symphony is the right choice if you prefer to take notes on paper, as you always have, while still benefiting from the digital copies that a Smartpen provides. This Smartpen solution was created with students who don't want to skip any lecture information in mind. All of your handwritten notes are digitally saved by the Smartpen using the Livescribe Plus software, which is accessible on iOS and Android devices. Also, you can access your notes from any device at any moment, thanks to the Livescribe Plus app, which is also compatible with Windows devices. Number 2. Padrone Ring. This ring-shaped wearable device is actually a mouse that was made to be as light as possible to reduce the strain on your joints. Since it doesn't have to be awkwardly bent at an angle for hours on end, it makes movement smoother and eases strain on your wrists. More importantly, it's waterproof and available in 12 various sizes, so you can continue wearing it wherever you go without worrying about breaking it or damaging the insides. And number 1. Cove Headset. Cove is one of the best wellness gadgets available on the market and is designed to help you unwind and lower your tension and anxiety levels. The device is worn around the back of the skull, and it quietly vibrates behind the ears to calm the user. The posterior insular cortex of the brain is activated by the vibrational frequency and intensity to reduce tension by stimulating the skin's nerve endings. Simply put on the headset after initial setup, choose a relaxing 20-minute exercise from the app, and experience the sensorial effects on your nervous system. Wow, you've made it this far. You must be a tech freak. That's fantastic! But the fun doesn't stop there. We update this list on a regular basis, so subscribe if you want to see the latest tech news and amazing gadgets.